we will explore the main differences between two powerhouse applications, Adobe Illustrator and InDesign. So, whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting your design journey, this video will be your guiding light. Before we dive into the features of Illustrator and InDesign, let's take a moment to appreciate the magic they bring to the table. Adobe Illustrator is tailored for creating individual graphic design elements and digital masterpieces. On the other hand, Adobe InDesign is the master of layout design and specifically made for print media. The beauty of these applications lies in their unique strengths, each tailored for your specific design needs. Now, my fellow designers, you might be wondering, how do I know which one to choose? Fear not. Let's ask ourselves a pivotal question. What is the ultimate goal of my project? Are you envisioning a stunning logo, sleek web icons, or captivating design elements for your digital media endeavors? If so, look no further than Adobe Illustrator. But if you need to create books, magazines, or any print media that leaves a lasting impression, then Adobe InDesign is the best fit for you. Remember, it's all about finding the perfect tool for your creative designs. Diving a bit deeper, you might wonder, why can't I simply use one application for both? While it is indeed possible to create flyers or brochures in Adobe Illustrator, and perhaps even craft a logo using InDesign, you'd find yourself traversing a winding road of challenges. Adobe Illustrator, with its wide range of tools, provides unmatched finesse for digital media design. Similarly, Adobe InDesign's features is perfectly suited to bring print media to life. Attempting to force one to perform the other's task is akin to asking a violinist to play the piano. Yes, they can do it, but it won't be their best performance. To conclude the differences between Adobe Illustrator and Adobe InDesign, InDesign shines brightly in print media, crafting exquisite books, newspapers, flyers, and more. Meanwhile, Illustrator is great for digital media, concocting captivating logos, web designs, and mesmerizing icons. Before we part ways, remember to subscribe to our channel, where we will continue to create content for you, just like this one, for all things Adobe. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep pushing your creative possibilities.